Hey everyone, this is CryptoBibbo here, and today I'm bringing you guys an insane strategy for crypto. Okay, I've been using this strategy recently, and this has literally made me over 500% per day. Yes, guys, you heard it, per day. Okay, and basically what I do is I simply trade the recently added coins on CoinMarketCap. So I go to CoinMarketCap, cryptocurrencies, and I click on recently added. So basically, this is all the recently added coins that have been added to CoinMarketCap. And just to show you guys a brief look of how it looks when you're trading these coins, look at this. Okay, this has been added 41 minutes ago, 30% gain. This one 5 hours ago, added to CoinMarketCap, 100%. A 33% over here, 89% in 7 hours, guys. Look at this, 834% in 8 hours. The day hasn't even finished. If you invested as soon as this came out on CoinMarketCap, you made almost 9 times your money with just this coin alone. And even all these coins, okay guys, you don't even see that with most of the top coins. Okay, like the top coins like Bitcoin and stuff like that, they will maybe like 8x, but in a year, not in a day. So it's crazy. Look at this, 133, 112. So this strategy is absolutely insane. Okay, so basically I'm going to explain how to actually do this, and then I'm going to explain to you guys why these produce massive gains. Like literally, how come in a couple of hours these coins literally 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x. Okay, so basically the way I actually do this strategy, and the only way I'm able to make these amounts of profits, like I said, like literally 500% daily, is I'm able, okay, I have a certain tool and a certain bot that notifies me on my phone the second a new coin comes out on CoinMarketCap, okay? Because the website alone doesn't notify you when a new coin comes out, okay? But I have a secret tool and a secret bot that literally notifies me, okay? Literally the second it comes out. Because if you check, let's just check, for example, I don't know, this huge one, okay? If like this is what I'm talking about over here. You'll get notified here when the price is already low and it just got added. But if you bought here, you already missed on so much profits. So to really benefit from the strategy and for the strategy to work, you got to be able to buy at literally the lowest point, okay? Literally a second it comes out, okay? Because that's how you're going to maximize your profits, okay? Because or else the strategy is not really good, because even after a couple of minutes or a couple of hours, the price usually already skyrocketed too much for you to even go in, because it's already so much profit you could have gained and you already missed out on. So yeah, now also for this strategy to work, you also you must make sure to never put your eggs in one basket. What I mean is that what I do with the strategy for it to work, I invest in every single recently added coin, okay? Because that minimizes my risk. Because remember, a lot of coins in the crypto space, that they're, scams or pump and dumps. So for me to be safe, I invest in every single one of them. And a few that produce, like this one, 800%, 89%, 100%, will actually make me a lot of money to even recoup the losses of those that maybe lost me like 10%, like this one, or 4%. Okay, so this strategy is absolutely insane, guys. Like, I've not seen too much people talk about this. And like I said, for it to work, you need to absolutely make sure to buy it at the beginning. And this is why soon I will build up a course to actually show you exactly the bot I'm using that notifies me the second I actually buy these. Because like I said, or else it won't work. You won't get these massive profits. You need to be first, like they say, first arrived, first served. So you need to be one of the first people in the world to know about these new coins being added and buy it the second it's added, okay? Or else you're missing on a lot of profits. Also, for this strategy to be effective, what I do, I really only trade these coins in the short term, which means I usually buy the coin and sell it back within the same day or within a few days, okay? I never keep these recently added coins, in my wallet for like a couple of days. Okay, I usually sell it either a couple of hours later I bought it, or maybe a day or maximum like 2 days after. Okay, and you got to make sure to do this. Okay, you only want to trade all these coins in the short term, because like I said, a lot of them can be pump and dumps and scams, and you do not want to get in that trap. So it's really important for the strategy to be as effective as possible is to buy only in the first few minutes it has been added, and also sell within the first day. And once again, in my course that I'm going to build, and I'm going to notify you guys if you stay subscribed, I'm going to notify you guys when I'm going to release that course, because it's also going to tell you how to manage your bankroll. So how much percentage of your bankroll should you invest in all these coins? Okay, because like I said, you can't just put all in on one coin. Okay, you need to diversify your different income placements. And yeah, I'm gonna also show you the perfect time to sell the coin. Okay, these coins especially. So, and just much more strategies to really perfect this strategy and make literally 500% daily. Okay, and I'm just gonna explain to you the reason why these actually tend to blow up. Okay, on the recently added coins. The reason why is because this website is so popular. Okay, if you've been in the crypto space, you at least heard this once in your life. Okay, and CoinMarketCap is a website that tracks all the different price fluctuations of different coins and the most popular coins. You can also just see so many different analytics like graphs, price charts, volume traded in the last 24 hours, the price change in the past 30 days, past year, and stuff like that. So since so many people know about this, what happens is that since there's a lot of still of crypto noobs in the space, a lot of them just go in this recently added section and buy all these coins. Okay, because there's like, oh, okay, this may be the next like Shiba Inu or Bitcoin. So a lot of people, a few hundred or a few thousand people are going to come here every day and just buy a few of these coins, because they're going to be like, you never know, it can be a huge one. But how I'm able to take advantage of that is that I'm able to, like I said, buy at literally the second it comes out to really maximize on profits, and also not keep it in the long term. Okay, just sell it back in the short term, because usually within the first day, that's when these recently added coins pump the most. And also why they pump a lot is because most of them are actually low market cap. As you can see, this one which pumped up, like I said before, like almost 9x, is because it has a low market cap. Okay, so with low market cap, it means there's still not a lot of people invested in this coin. So if a lot of people come in as soon as it's added on CoinMarketCap, the market cap is going to go up a lot, but it's going to make the price change a lot. Okay. And yeah, this is pretty much what the strategy is. Now, just to prove you guys that, this strategy can work, I'm going to actually update you guys. I'm going to wait until a new coin that I get a notification with my special tool and my special bot that it notifies me when a recently added coin is added to CoinMarketCap, and I'm going to actually buy that recently added coin and show you how the whole process is, and how I'm able to profit with this insane strategy, guys. So I'll catch you up later, guys. Okay, guys, so I just got a notification of the bot that a new coin just went on CoinMarketCap, so I'm just gonna go buy it. So coinmarketcap.com, recently added, boom, and it's this one over here, Memors. So I'm gonna copy the contract address over here, and then what I'm going to go is to pancakeswap.finance. Just gonna refresh the page over here, reconnect my wallet, and let's say over here I'm going to, just for the test of this video, just put 0.10 BNB and then paste the address of the new coin. As you can see, import, boom, I understand. And always make sure that you set like something like 11 or 12% as a slippage tolerance for the transaction to go through. Okay, guys, or else it usually doesn't work. So right here, boom, confirm. And now it should get bought. Okay. So if I go back to Safari and I refresh, my balance is going to be a bit lower, I think. Sometimes it lags. So I'm just going to reconnect over here. As you can see, swap 0.1 BNB for the token. So I'm probably going to sell it in a couple of hours, keep you updated to see, you know, how much profit I've made off of this this recent coin. And just to prove you guys, like literally I knew it the second. As you can see, if we go on to pagers here, couldn't find any data. So this means that CoinMarketCap still doesn't have any data on the coin because it hasn't been long enough on the market for it to, you know, put data on the coin's price. Okay, usually it takes around 5 to 10 minutes for the chart, the price chart of new added coins to appear on CoinMarketCap. So guys, I'm going to keep you updated in a few hours when I'm going to feel good to sell back the coin. Okay guys, so it has been literally just a few minutes that I've just bought the coin, and it went up a bit. So let's just see over here. As you can see, 0.13. I invested in 0.10, so that's already a 30% increase. I'm just gonna enable the coin. As you can see, enable. It's gonna take a bit of time to enable, and yeah, pretty much, you know, 30% in what, few minutes. I think it's been like maybe 15 minutes or so. And yeah, so what you want to do now is swap. It's gonna confirm over here. You're gonna get a small fee, and it's gonna give me my money back. So as you can see, if I go back to PancakeSwap, if I refresh this, it's going to say that it's sent probably. Sometimes it bugs though, but as you can see, swap 1,250 MWAR for 0.13. So as you can see, it swapped, and yeah, my balance just increased just like that, guys. Okay, so as you can see, before it was at 1.30, now it's pretty much at 1.33. So once again, okay, this was just a test, but this just to show you, okay, I've literally made 30% in a couple of minutes. Okay, so if we go back in recently added coins and we just click on it, as you can see, it was at 0.04, now it's at 0.056. So it still didn't update. Okay, now it's just updated. Okay, so as you can see, look, 31% increase. As you can see over here, when it started, it was at 0.04, and I sold it. It still needs to update, but I sold it at pretty much this amount over here. Okay, 0.056, and yeah, that was why you saw like the 30% increase. So this strategy really works, and like I said, look, it's literally been what, 51, oops, 39. It's been like what, 15 minutes that this has been out, already 30%. Like I said, I could have held it more. This was, like I said, just a test run. But yeah, what I usually do is I hold these type of coins throughout the day, and they just tend to blow up. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this strategy, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. Use this as at your own risk and do your own research on coins, because cryptocurrency is, although it's fun to see these 500% returns daily, it is always risky, okay? But yeah, this strategy is just insane for me. You should try it out. And yeah, I'm going to update you guys on more videos about this strategy, because I just find it's absolutely insane and not too many people are talking about it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and see you next one, guys. Bye-bye.